Hi guys, welcome to my channel Priyanka Chandra. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing good. So guys, today we're going to be something different in our video. So I'm going to be reacting to a Rapido taxi service ad which stars Allu Arjun in Telugu version and Ranveer Singh, of course, our favorite in Hindi version. So today we're going to be reacting to this ad, and also we'll be talking about the controversy which had been happened in the Telugu version which stars Allu Arjun. So without wasting any time, let's go ahead and check out this video, guys.
అబ్బాయి దోశ తినాలంటే రెండే చోట్ల. ఒకటి గుడిగాడి దగ్గరేనే, రెండోదిగా అవి రాసం బస్సు రూట్లోనే. అక్కడ మామూలు దోశలాగా ఎక్కినోని కూడా కూర్మా వేసి ఖైమా కొట్టిద్దా మసాలా దోశ చేసి దింపుతారండి. ఎందుకు వచ్చిన పేరెంటం అండి, ర్యాపిడో బుక్ చేసుకోండి. దోశ తీసినంత సులాగ్గానే ట్రాఫిక్ లో సవటట్టకుండా వెళ్ళిపోండి. పొదుపు చేయండి మీరు. అదిగా మాటల్లోనే వచ్చాడు. ఆటో ఇటో ఏటో ఎక్కే ర్యాపిడో
Let's watch Ranveer Singh now.
తక్కువగా.
यहाँ स्पेशल कोरमा सिर्फ 2 लोग ही बनाते हैं, एक बब्बन दूसरा ये 386 बस. अब देखना ये लोग कोरमा बन के बाहर निकलेंगे. इनको समझ में काहे को नहीं आता रैपिडो बुक करना बोल के. एकदम स्मूथ सवार मस्त के जैसे ट्रैफिक के बीचों बीच. सही
सही पकड़े हैं.
तो सुन लो बब्बन की सलाह, हमेशा रैपिडो ही.
Okay, so guys, let's talk about the Telugu version of Rapido taxi services. As you all know, Rapido taxi services is fast and it will definitely take you and reach to your destination on time. So here controversy part comes in, where we can see Allu Arjun sir in this ad playing a food stall owner, where he tells somebody that, you know, while you travel in this bus and you reach your destination, you will be like stuffed dosa. So listening to this, TSRTC people got offended and they sent the notice to Rapido taxi services and also to the Allu Arjun sir, stating that this is not acceptable and we need an apology. So this controversy is going on. So what do you think, guys? What do you think? Is it right that what they have portrayed on this ad, is it correct, or do you think this is not something big issue to be made? Do let me know in the comment section. And talking about their acting, guys, seeing Allu Arjun sir, of course, what should I tell about his acting? He's always good. Really, it gives me the vibe of Pushpa, because in Pushpa also almost the same look he has. So I'm really waiting for that movie. And of course, Ranveer Singh. I think I've never seen an actor who lives his life like king size. He's always happy. It may be a award function show or any show that he enters. Wherever he goes, there is a positive energy vibes, and he's always happy. And seeing him, I just got that vibe of gully boy, to be honest. So do let me know in the comment section, what do you think about the controversy, whether it's right or wrong. So guys, before I end this video, I would like to let you know that I will be posting my new videos on Saturdays and Sunday, that is only on weekends, as I'm preoccupied with a lot of work that I've got, and there's something new things I've started to work on, so I really don't have a time. It doesn't mean that I'm not going to post any reaction videos on trailer or a teaser. Definitely I will do it. I'm not quitting YouTube for sure. But there is a little bit of time which I need, you know, to make things work out, is what I'm trying to cope up right now. So definitely, guys, new videos are going to come, but it's going to be on weekends. So without your support, nothing is possible, guys. Because of you guys only this channel is running. And thank you so much for all your love and support. Please do support and please do show more love on this channel. You guys mean a lot to me. I don't know how many guys can understand this, like a small YouTuber like me can definitely relate it. Whenever I see any comments, you know, I feel so happy. Whenever I see the increase in subscribers, there's a little joy, guys. You cannot express that. It really feels nice. So definitely, guys, a lot of videos coming up, but again, a little bit of time adjustment is what I need right now. Your support is needed, and this channel is only because of you. And thank you so much for that. On that note, I'm going to end this video here. If you like this video, please do like, share, comment, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you get the notification of all my new videos. And people who have subscribed to my channel, welcome to the family. And people who have not yet subscribed, please do go and subscribe and show your love on this channel. So see you with another interesting video, and until then, take care.